Do kids like 50-50 custody schedules? Some do, some don't. Generally, however, when both parents live in the same neighborhood, so that their children are able to get to school, interact with the same friends, attend the same church, and participate in the same organized activities, like clubs and team sports, for example, and do so without having to travel long distances between their parents' respective homes, then children generally prefer 50-50 schedules with two fit, loving parents over spending the majority of their time with one parent to the exclusion of spending more equal time with the other parent. While your question is undoubtedly sincere, it is incomplete. The goal of a child custody arrangement is not simply finding the schedule that children prefer or claim to prefer, but determining what serves their best interests, whether they recognize it or not. Just as we don't allow children to eat only what they like, study only subjects that appeal to them, and do and say only what they want, or otherwise act solely on their immediate immature desires, custody schedules should support a child's happy, healthy development. That development includes exposure to both male and female influences, as well as the different and shared personality traits, worldviews, talents, skills, and values of both of their fit, loving parents. Equal or 50-50 custody arrangements generally provide this support better than alternatives. We cannot determine their effectiveness without giving them a genuine opportunity to succeed or fail. When couples with children separate, absent issues of child abuse, neglect, or serious concerns about parental fitness, it is cruel to children who need and want the love, care, and guidance of both parents to be deprived of as much time with both parents as possible. Children benefit from maintaining and want to maintain strong relationships with both of their parents.